welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving and I hope you all had the most beautiful day with your family, your friends, by yourself, with your fur babies, with your kids, whatever. I hope you had a great day. I know things are weird. The world right now is nutso with this pandemic and nothing is the same. But we have to think positive and be grateful. And whatever the day brought you, just be grateful that you had another day. Okay, so let's get on to the unboxing. I did open the box just a little while ago and I took everything out. It's in front of me. And when I looked at the packing slip, because I always like to cross-check to make sure everything's there or see if there's substitutions, I started looking at the packing slip and I'm like, wait a minute. There's stuff on here that I didn't order, that I know I didn't order, and there's 2 pages, and the clincher of it all. Hold on, let me fold this because I don't want to give this away. But if you want to piss yourself, this is what I was like crying right now. Look whose packing slip I received. Patricia Schmucker. See it? Patricia Schmucker, if you're watching this video, I have your packing slip. And I don't know if I have your feelings, but we're going to find out. And this is how it came. All mangled and bent up and just thrown in the box. Once again, boxes were just tossed in there. There was no like bubble. There was no anything to keep everything. Like it's a mess. Optavia, what is going on? I know you're struggling right now. I know COVID is a thing, but I just spent over $300 and I got a mess and Patricia Schmucker's stuff. What? All right, let's check this out. So I do know that one thing is for sure. There's one thing in this box that I know is absolutely mine. Where'd it go? Here it is, because I opened it this morning. That. I have never tried this feeling before. Shame on me, because this was great. It was delicious. It was a chocolate bar with a thick layer of like chocolate fudge ganache on top. And it has a cherry pomegranate chia seed mixture inside. And I have to tell you, I love, like that cherry vanilla ice cream. Do you know it? Okay. Cherry vanilla ice cream was one of my favorites as a kid. I loved the vanilla ice cream with the pieces of cherry in it. This, for some reason, reminds me of that. However, this is not as sweet. It's not like a sweet candy bar. It's got a hint of those flavors in it. But it was delicious and it's soft and chewy. So if you haven't tried this, try it. But don't go crazy. Leave me another box for my next order, please. In this box, we have a box of brownies. I know I ordered these, so that's a good thing, right? All right, I'm going to put them back in my box as we go. A box of chocolate shake. I ordered that. Then we have another chocolate shake, which I ordered, so that's good. Looks like we're so far looking like it's my order, but we have someone else's packing slip. Let's just hope and pray that's the case. My mac and cheese, I love it. I can't help it. I love it. I love it. That was mine. Then we have sour cream and chive potatoes. The last order, I had to order the garlic mashed because the sour cream ones were not in stock, but this time they were, and I was so excited. The garlic ones are delicious, but this one is just my favorite. Then we got another box of chocolate shakes because, as you all know, I have like 1 or 2 a day, usually just 1, but on occasion I do 2. So I like to have enough. Chocolate fudge bar, peanut butter bar, silky peanut butter chewy. I love these chewy bars. If you haven't tried this one, try it. I'm sure most of you have. It's delicious. All right, another peanut butter bar. Now we're starting to get spooky here because I don't remember ordering more than 1 of these, but let's see what else we have. Looks like we have another one. So I don't know if this order crossed. Maybe it did. chocolate mint bar. That was mine. I know I ordered that. We have another box of potatoes, which I don't think I ordered more than one because I still have some here. So let's see. Another box of mac and cheese. I don't believe I ordered that. I think I ordered a chili and a tomato herb pasta. So let's see if we got that. Another box of brownies. Chocolate chip cookie. This I did order because I don't know, lately I've been enjoying these and I've been cooking them longer than you're supposed to cook them because it makes it a little bit harder and like crunchy around the edges, which I'm liking. And 2 boxes, which I know I didn't order 2 of, the cinnamon sugar sticks. Something's not right. I'm missing some boxes and there's more things in here that I ordered that I didn't. So, and these are the cherry bars. So let me see. Patricia Schmucker ordered. She ordered 2 boxes of mac and cheese. She ordered 2 boxes of the cinnamon sticks. She also ordered the rustic tomato herb penne, which was not in the box. She ordered roasted garlic potatoes, not in the box. Vanilla shake, not in the box. Caramel bar, not in the box. Cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake, not in the box. S'mores bar. All right, so I'm wondering if I got some of hers and she got some of mine because it looks like there's some things on here that she ordered that I got, but I didn't get that maybe she did. So I'm going to have to call the company tomorrow and just clarify all of that and see what's going on. Maybe they saw my video the other day and wanted to stick it to me. I don't know. Optavia. Listen, Optavia, if you are watching this, I love you. We all love you, but we got to start getting things right. First of all, let's go into the group today. So if you don't follow me on Facebook, I have a group called Keeping It Optavia with Felicia Nurse. And we have over 10,000 members, which I am so proud and so grateful for. And there was a question in there today about turkey. Could you have 5 ounces, 6 ounces, or 7 white meat turkey? How many ounces can you have? I happened to call Optavia and ask the nutrition guy, Matt, his name is, a question about somebody frying their turkey. If they put it in a fryer and they take the skin off, how much white meat can they have? And are they allowed to add a fat and all this other stuff? And he said, right off the bat, he said, white meat turkey is always leanest for 7 ounces. If it's fried, we don't suggest it, but if it is, you don't have to add any other additional fat except maybe 1. And he wouldn't recommend eating fried turkey too often. So I was like, okay. So I just wanted to confirm in my own head that turkey, white meat was leanest. So I looked at my information and he's correct. Chicken was 6 ounces and ground turkey was 6 and 5. Well, when someone today asked in the group about turkey, how many ounces, and I said it was leanest at 7 ounces, there were quite a few comments below that said, nope, it's 6 ounces, you know. So we were trying to figure out what was going on. I don't understand why some people have books that say 7 ounces for turkey. Some say 6, some say 5. What is happening? That is like, I mean, I know it's only an ounce or 2, but, you know, that could make or break somebody's plan. I don't understand. It should be linear across the board. Everybody's books should be the same. And if you've been on Optavia for a while, maybe you should get when a new book comes out. If guidelines are changing, if things are changing, give them a new book. So also online, when I went under current Optavia, like 2020 rules, it said 7 ounces. And then some people, I asked for them to show me the pictures and people were messaging me and some were 7 ounces and some were 6. So what is it, Optavia? I want to know. All right, so tomorrow when I call about my order, I will be asking once again about the turkey. You know, obviously Thanksgiving is over tonight, and but I still want to clarify that for us because I think it's odd that we are all following different books. Maybe it was a misprint, I don't know. But again, I verbally spoke to the dietitian whose name was Matt, and he confirmed that white meat turkey without the skin is a leanest. So therefore, you're allowed 7 ounces. I don't know what else to say. It's just that's the information I got from Matt, who works at Optavia. And I dialed 1-888 Optavia. Asked to speak to someone in nutrition, and they gave me him. A very nice guy. That's the information I got. So I want to see what the discrepancy is, and I will resolve that for all of you, and I'll post what I find out in the group. So follow me there. Get in that group. It's free. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'll also link up my other social media so you can follow me. Please subscribe to this channel so you can see more Optavia videos. I will be making the fish taco tutorial to post, which was so delicious, and because I know you guys wanted to see that. Also, the magic spoon cereal review will be coming up. So those are some videos coming up in the near future. Just giving you a little heads up. All right. So remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. Have a great night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.